गौरव लॅपटॉप
चलो
अनबॉक्सिंग करतोय.
हाय गाईज. सो आता तुम्ही बघाल अनबॉक्सिंग ऑफ Lenovo Legion 5 powered by AMD processor.
Gaurav is much excited.
Yes, so very excited about my second laptop. I'm not so techy guy in this field, so don't expect some technical configuration or something like that. Okay.
Oh,
Here is the Amazon box, got unboxed, and here you can see
Lego.
this Legion is sitting inside happily. Come out, buddy. It's time to
okay.
get unboxed.
You can keep outside.
This box,
Outside. Don't make
not
dust.
of our, not
Okay.
of our scope now. So finally, here we are breaking Lenovo. Tear out. So let's keep it like this, horizontal. Box is little damaged over here. I don't know what happened over exactly there. Let's hope there is no damage happened inside, but I can see some damage here. A little damage.
Okay, but that because of thermocol it will not go inside.
And that should not impact the laptop body. So let's take it out.
No, from this side,
Yeah.
both side.
Now here is the laptop.
Uh,
So here we have a
just keep
laptop.
outside. You will see other active
Laptop
accessories.
wrapped inside.
No, first see other accessories.
Yes. Let's keep this thermocol over here. What next we have? Here we have one charging cord made in China. I believe some 2 meters long. One charging cord. Some
Warranty
user manuals
cards.
are there.
Warranty card should be there.
This is safety and warranty guide. This one is setup guide. Here we have something token of
Coupon type of thing.
coupon from Lenovo itself, and this is
Industry.
restrictions of distribution. So let's keep this aside.
Okay.
Let me we have a adapter, charging adapter.
Oh, too much big adapter.
Yes, this is a USB type adapter, and if I take it out, it is 170 watt as mentioned in the product description. 170 watt charging adapter with 20 volt of power output, and yeah, 240 AC is the input. So let's keep it aside. And what else we have? Nothing, I believe.
Okay,
Nothing.
done.
Anything else we have?
No, that is packed.
No, I think there is no other. No, this cannot open. We cannot open that.
Okay,
So that's it in the box.
let's start.
So let's keep this box aside now. You want me to throw this box again?
No, no, no.
Okay. So box is kept aside as per Ganesh's guidelines.
Okay.
Let's sit around se. Let's open up the device.
There is the reversed.
No, this is correct only.
Okay.
Let's take it out. And here's the main laptop. Let's
Again.
see the laptop hinges, whether it's anyway broken somewhere. No, all hinges are intact without any, nothing is on this side. We can see one USB SS port here, one 3.5 jack, one heat dissipation vent. On the back side, let's check the corners. Every corner is intact. That's good. And here we have one lock, laptop lock, one charging port, one HDMI, two USB 3, and one
C type.
C type port. And here one is
For LAN.
LAN cable, and two exhaust vents.
Okay, bottom side also there is fan.
Let's go on this side. Let's check the corners. Corners are intact. Good. One USB, one, I don't know what it is.
Mic.
I believe it's not a mic, it is a SD card remover or something. I don't know exactly what exactly it is.
Light will be there, small light.
Yeah, one power light is there, an exhaust vent. There are some sort of dirts I can see in the, if you can capture in the camera, you can find out some sort of when water, dirty water or something goes inside, that kind of marks are there inside, if you can capture it in the camera.
Yes.
Okay, let us see. That should not affect any warranty. Okay, and downside, if you can see, this is complete heat. It will suck the outside air from here, so it is fins. Legion branding is there. Both rubbers are in good condition, no issue with this. Even these are also good. If I check the nuts, 2, 3, here correctly mentioned there. Yeah, nuts are correctly on the line. Branding is all correct. Windows branding, ISO norms. Here we have one speaker, left side speaker and right side speaker. So all correct.
Okay, then let's
On
start.
the top side, if I see, Legion branding with rainbow coloring is there. It changes as per the laptop angle. Lenovo branding is there. Hinges are totally in good condition. No issue with that. That's it, I believe. On this side, all hinges are correct. Okay, it's all good. Let's open up.
Okay.
So I will not start up, I will just open up and let us see the any physical damages are there. So okay, let us see the screen corners are correctly aligned, no issue with that. Even the hinges don't have any loose fits, so it's all perfectly working.
Take it up to 180 degree.
Let us take 180 degree. Yeah, it is going correctly. If you see, it is all flat now,
Okay.
and that means it is functioning correctly with no issues. In this position only, let us check camera flap. Yeah, there is no issue with camera flap. I believe you cannot see that since it is sticker applied over there, but yeah, I can see it is working fine, though the notch is very delicate. I mean, it's very hard to close the lid in one attempt, but okay, something is better than nothing. Let's remove the cover.
Yeah.
Here I'll keep the display at 180 degree. Lenovo Legion branding is, Ryzen branding is there, AMD Radeon processor branding is the graphics, sorry. Then we have NVIDIA graphics E support. I believe after starting up we can see what is the use of that. Touchpad.
Audio by Harman. It is good.
Yeah, audio by Harman. Touchpad is good with matte finish. All over you can see the matte finish over here. And there is, I don't know whether it is a rubber finished or what, but grip is so good. You can feel there is a grip over here.
Oh,
You cannot.
nice.
I mean, okay. Anyway, this is a gaming laptop, so for sure the grip matters a lot. If I see the chiclet keyboards are there. There is no keyboard. Aram se we can press, and there is no. The quality of plastic is good. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, buttons are good in quality. Power button is there. Will not start the button as of now. Here they have mentioned something. I don't know what exactly it is. Function key plus Q. I don't know what exactly it is, but I believe there will be some.
That mute and unmute maybe.
Okay. Yes, something is there. Even
Then
I don't know.
auto temperature cooling something.
Yeah. This button seems little downside. I don't know why. Whether it is
No, that is design.
it or design. I don't know.
Design this up pad is there na.
Okay, so maybe that is design. Hope that is design.
That is, see here also one match is there, so that is design.